Hello everyone and welcome to another First Taste with Hope video. This month we are going back to school and we are doing snacks and treats and all these things that you might want for your back to school lunch bag, whether you're going to elementary, middle school, high school, whatever your grade is, or maybe you are in college and you want a good snack to take with you. I feel you, I love good snacks as well. Well, we're gonna explore that, and today we're looking at a snack that might not be the friendliest to take to school, but maybe you want to prepare it for when you come home, a back to home snack, or going to school in the morning for breakfast. Either way, these are apple nachos, so let's get started. My friends, what we're gonna do first, you need about 5 apples roughly, estimating there, and then we're gonna do some chocolate chips to coat it a little bit on top, and then we're gonna use some peanut butter. There is no suggested amount, so I'm just gonna be guesstimating. I'm gonna think it's about a cup or so of peanut butter. Maybe we'll do half a cup to start with, just to make sure it's not too peanut buttery, because some people might not like lots of peanut butter, whereas I love it, but some might not. And we have a handy dandy tool. If you guys do not have one of these, this is something you need in your life. This is an apple slicer. Listen, I know that we should probably be just biting into apples like normal, but I just don't like that. I would rather just slice it and I'd put peanut butter on it. That's just my go-to. So this was a cool thing we found at Walmart. It was about $2-3, really cheap. And every time I want an apple, boom, slice, and I get me some peanut butter, and it's pretty great. So helpful tool there. And that's what we're gonna be working with today. What we're gonna start with is we're gonna work on slicing the apples, and we're gonna start placing them in the plate and forming like a circle, like kind of like you're being hypnotized or something. Boom. Okay, once your apples are nicely rinsed, you're gonna use this handy dandy tool and you're gonna slice your apples in two. Oh crap, sorry. Hold on, let me see here. Move these back a little bit. That was not intended. Woo! This one's a tough apple. Boom.
Easy peasy.
We have a sliced apple. That was a tough apple. I'm not even gonna lie. That was a hard apple. Boom. And then see, you pop them on out. You got your slices, and the core's in the middle. We'll throw it away. And we're gonna start making the circle. It recommends Gala apples. That's what these are. So we got some Gala apples from the local Kroger, and yeah, that was recommended. I don't know. You can probably go with your preference of apple. Getting a workout, and this isn't quite cutting like I expected it to. I promise you, you probably would do it a lot better than me, and on most days this does not happen. But of course when I'm filming, that's when it decides to happen.
Do those blades dull out?
No. They just stay in the one position.
No, so it's not like a blade, it's just thin metal.
Yeah. But normal, this is the first time that's happened though. I'll just put them this way since they're kind of slanted now.
They're just special in their own way.
Yeah. Golly! Boom. Why are they doing it now? Why are you being difficult now, you slicer? You're making this a hard sell.
It's for the view.
It's for the views. Now that we have the hound dog in the background and we have the apples on the plate, we're going to crack open this peanut butter. We're gonna put a little bit in a cup. We're gonna heat it up a little bit, melted peanut butter, and we're gonna put it on top of the apples. Now, if you've never had this one recipe, this is another one just to take note of. Doesn't have anything to do with apples, but it's fudge. And what you do is you take, not this large of a size, this is a 28 ounce. You want like a 16 ounce or smaller, maybe an 8 ounce of peanut butter. And you heat it up for 1.5 minutes, and then you take a can of frosting of your choice, whatever your favorite flavor is, chocolate, vanilla, etc. And then you heat that up for 1.5 minutes, and then you put them in a dish, and then you refrigerate it for about, they say an hour, but I like it to be a little longer, so 3 to 4 hours. And then after that, make some good fudge. Drizzle on that.
Looks very good.
It does look very good. I could eat it like this, honestly.
Smells good too.
Man, oh man, that peanut butter. That's not even the ending yet. We got chocolate.
There's more?
But wait, there's more. We got chocolate chips. I got the minis for this. That means something. We're gonna take a few of these bad boys, and we're gonna put them on top. Whoops, dropping some. And that is how you make apple nachos. Pretty simple dish. I'm probably gonna refrigerate this for a couple minutes just to let the peanut butter kind of harden up a little bit more. And that's how I would probably approach this in regards to apple nachos. Again, this isn't really one of those on the go type of snacks, but it's definitely one of those you might could eat for breakfast if you really wanted to, if you like that sweetness. You could eat it when you come home from school. It's definitely an after school snack for sure. So when you're going back to school, if you want something that's kind of sweet but also kind of healthy, you got peanut butter, you got apples. Those are both very good things, especially the peanut butter's got protein in it. I'm making excuses here for peanut butter. But the chocolate chips add on that sweetness as well, which is great. Now, me personally, I only don't like Granny Smith apples particularly. Those are the only apples I don't particularly like, but I know what people do. My favorite's probably Red Delicious. I'm one of those basic people who love the Red Delicious, but...
Honey Crisp!
And before we go, I'm gonna give this a good taste test, even though it's not like quite to my standards. I want to refrigerate a little bit.
Quite to your standards.
Because I want to refrigerate a little bit. Mm-hmm.
It's appley and peanut buttery and chocolatey.
Mm-hmm. 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 Very good. And that brings us to the end of another First Taste with Hope video. Thank you so much for coming to watch this. Give us a subscribe and a like and comment on this if you tried this out and if you like it as well. Or if you're not a big fan of apples, I don't like oranges, so there we have it. And I will see you guys next time on another First Taste with Hope. Bye, everyone.